So I said I'd get out on the TZR250 MA today, and I've just had a right good bray. Anyway, here is my TZR250 MA. There she is, what a beauty. So I've just had 2 weeks of hell, had a massive job in the workshop, been on with it flat out for 2 weeks. Worked all last weekend, I was working till 8-9 o'clock, basically for 2 weeks. Finally got the job finished, so now I can have a bit of me time. And me time is having a blast on my bikes. So I thought today I'd go out on my TZR250 MA. Not been out on it for ages, so I had to check the battery on it, things like that. Luckily it held charge, so the battery was alright. But as you would have seen in the video I did yesterday, the carbs needed draining off. So the fuel wasn't very good in the carb bowls, so I just drained them off and it's fired straight up, spot on. And yeah, I've just had a right good bray. Enjoying myself. So for those of you that don't know, my TZR250 MA, I bought it as a project back end of lockdown. I painted it myself in the Barry Sheen Archive colours. It's a beautiful paint scheme, as you can tell, that's why I put it on the bike. And it is actually 1980, that was the year that I was born, in 1980. So it just had to be that scheme on the bike. Big Barry Sheen fan. So a bit about the TZR250 MA. It's a twin cylinder 250cc engine, and it's got 2 pipes that are directly off the back of the cylinders, so they come straight off the back of the cylinders. And out the back of the bike. This bike has got some JL pipes on. I've got a fantastic deal off JL pipes. They sent me these out a few years ago. I put them on the bike, and as you can hear, they sound absolutely fantastic. When the bike's opened up on full chat, they sound absolutely amazing, they really do. What a buzz this bike is an absolute buzz. It's only a 253 MA, 250cc engine, but it is an absolute buzz. This bike, it just feels amazing. I love it, absolutely love it. Proper little toy. Anyway, that's a bit about the bike. I'm going to get on it and I'm going to go for a bit more of a bray.
I've been thinking about you, about us. I've been moving slow, our hearts beat so far. I've been dreaming about you, about us. bodies are tired, our shadows dance. I've been aching